guys, welcome to GlamorousMorana channel. If you're new here, don't forget to click and subscribe to the channel. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back to the video. So today we're going to be doing a review from so today we're going to be doing a Samsung Galaxy A20 review. So if you're looking to purchase a Samsung Galaxy A20, I'm going to show you like the quality of it and what it has. Okay, first of all, this is how the Samsung Galaxy A20, it reminds me of the iPhone cover because it has no button. It's just like a black screen. And here is the buttons. Here, this is the button. You can open it, and once you open it, and there is like a picture of my nieces and my mom, and then you can add like your password, you know, to it. So this is like the cover. This is like the home page of it. So these are all the apps. One thing about the Samsung Galaxy A20, the quality of it is 100% excellent. Here we have Instagram, we have all the apps. It has Google Play, and once you on Google Play, you can download any app you want. So you click here. So since it don't have a home button, it don't have the button, you just click here. It's like a touchscreen button, and we have all the apps. We have Pinterest, WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, every type of app you want, it's right here. And one thing I like about the Samsung Galaxy A20 is the quality of it. The quality is HD to the max. So here I'm gonna type like a random video. Let's see if I can find like a random video, and you're gonna see like the quality of it.
With a new video. Castor oil is often avoided by many people because of its thick and sticky consistency.
Mute it, but you can see like the quality of it. Let me find a better quality. Not a better quality, but a better video, so you can see like this is like, as I'm typing right now, I don't know if you can see clear, like it is HD, like I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna put hacks, like colorful video, so you can see like how like the quality is excellent. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it here, that way you can see like the quality of it. So here is YouTube, and you see how the quality is like HD, like come on, like different videos, they're like HD. Like you don't have to worry about a blurry YouTube video. Is gonna be super clear. And this is where the touch screen button is. All you got to do is when you're ready to click off, you click off, and if you want to go to a different app like Instagram, you go on Instagram. It's like, you see, it's like HD. It's like a really soft touch about it. Now one thing I like about I like the quality. The quality is excellent, it's good. Look, you can go on Pinterest. It's very cute. You see the quality is very cute. They have all the different apps you can download. You can download TikTok, anything. And it has, this is the gallery where you can store your pictures, messenger, calendar, calculator. All this is in the Samsung Galaxy A20. Now the negative thing about it is when your storage is full, it's kind of annoying because it doesn't hold a lot of storage on your phone. It gets full really fast. That's the negative thing about it. but other than that, it's really excellent. So if you want to purchase yourself a Galaxy A20, go ahead and purchase it. The quality is awesome.com. So thank you guys.